Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today I'm going to be taking you through my beauty trash. So if you spot some swatches on my arm, those are just from my favorite lipsticks video that I just did, so check that one out. But today is trash time. So I'm just going to dive right in. These are items that I've used up over the past 2 or 3 months because the last empties I did was just around like the midpoint of quarantine. Let's jump in. This one is a goodie, the Vaseline Hydrating Spray and Go Moisturizer. This lasted me so long because a little goes a very long way. This is a great moisturizer if you literally just need a very small hint of hydration before you head out the door. I also like it because I find it doesn't make my clothes very oily. Sometimes it feels like it sits on the skin, but overall it's really, really nice. And they have a few fragrances. This one is in the dry skin formula. Here we have the Matrix Total Results Keep Me Vivid Pearl Infusion Shampoo. This smells amazing. It also came with stickers, so those haven't exactly aged well, but this shampoo was amazing. I really love it. I don't have colored hair, but it worked great on my hair. I think the Matrix brand is great. I love how it stands up on its front or bottom. I'm still using the conditioner from the line, and I think it's really, really good, so I'd recommend that for sure. This here is the Pixi Glycolic Body Wash with glycolic acid and aloe vera. This is amazing. It foams up well. I would just put some onto my exfoliating gloves. It's a very thin formula, and it lasted really, really well. So it's smoothing, hydrating body cleanser. It's perfect. I would definitely buy it again. It has a bit of a strong scent, nothing terrible, just kind of almost vinegary, but overall it's amazing. This, the Clarins Super Restorative Instant Lift Serum Mask. This was fun. It actually goes on the face and neck. I'll throw in a photo here of how beautiful I look with it on, but this was amazing. Clarins makes fantastic skincare. Definitely a splurge, but well worth it. I found my skin looked and felt amazing after using it. Oh, love this stuff. The Clarins Liquid Bronze Self-Tanning Milk. That is all the color I have on my face right now. This works amazingly well, and it feels like an essence. I have the Clarins Essence, and this is literally the same as that, but with some tanner qualities to it. This works really well. Just make sure you put a liberal amount onto your skin, and I either use it as like my first step so it sinks in, or as like a final step, but I never layer too much moisturizer on top of this because it has vitamin E, aloe vera in it, so it is quite calming. But yeah, just make sure you don't dilute it too much with other skincare, but overall this is the best for the skin. It never breaks me out. It actually makes my skin look better. It's like a treatment tanner. You need it. I've gone through 3 of them already. It's so good. And this is another favorite, the Sheer Blonde Go Blonder Lightning Spray. This is the only thing I use on my hair to make it lighter. Amazing. This is very cheap and cheerful, and it works great on my dark blonde hair to make it a bit brighter and sunnier. Now this here is the Powder Dry Me from Design Me. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is amazing. It's like a thick liquid. It is a blow dry in half the time spray. So you put it all onto your hair. It smells really nice. It helps keep your hair free from frizz. It is a heat protectant, and it actually makes you blow dry in a shorter amount of time. So who doesn't want that? 10 out of 10. Oh, here, Design Me as well. This is their Puff Me Volumizing Conditioner. I tried the shampoo of this brand as well. It's good. I actually didn't finish this up because I kind of got tired of the fragrance. Not something I'd repurchase, but it was fine. I definitely would prefer the styling products from that brand though. But overall, it's a really nice hair care brand. I think you can get it at Rexall or online. This is the Vivier AHA BHA Exfoliating Cream with antioxidants and peptides. This is great. I would use it on my face if I need something like really quick in the morning, or almost as a serum and moisturizer in one. I would also use this on my back and chest. This definitely kept my skin really, really clear. It's great. I just wish you could see how much is in here. Like, it still feels like I could pump some out, but it's done. Oh, no, it's not. Anyways, I could probably get some more out of there. Point made that it's hard to know when this is done. Anyways, it's a Canadian brand and I really like it, so I'd recommend that product. Here, ooh, my Chic Intuition. I have an empty case here. This is a great razor. It has like the shave gel and razor all in one. So I'll use this for my legs. I just have a bit of hair remaining from my laser treatments under the arms. It works really well and it's just really easy, so I don't need to do the shave gel, whole hootenanny. I can just have it all in one. This is my Saint Tropez tanning mitt. Guys, this is the only brand I'm using for tanner on the body. I'm done trying any other brand because they all suck. Bondi Bronze, hated it. Jergens, smells too strong. I love Saint Tropez, not going anywhere else, and their tanning mitts are the best. The terry cloth one that I have is extra special, so I'll put a photo of it here. I don't know, I think it was limited edition, but anyways, if you can get your hands on it, it's phenomenal. This Essie top coat was really good. It is their 00 top coat. It's from their like long-lasting collection here. I love it. I just wish I could tell how much was left in the bottle. Anyways, it just got a bit thick, but overall this was fantastic. Next up, I always do this to my bottles. I don't know if you do, but this is the Paula's Choice Resist Skin Revealing Body Lotion. Something fell out of it. I just hope it's not alive. Oh no, it's just a piece of ribbon. Like, is it a bug? Okay, so this is the 10% AHA body lotion. This is amazing. My friend Sandra over at TT Sandra also loved this, so I'd recommend it and I would repurchase it. I just don't really need it for my body right now, but this is great for ingrown hairs or bumps on the arms. This is perfect. Next, the Taksumi Detox by Kaya. This is a deodorant. Mine actually dried out, so you need to use this up or else it dries out and then it gets way too flaky. But overall, this is the best natural deodorant I've tried. I actually need the antiperspirant factor, so I'm not using those anymore, but if you did want to try a natural deodorant, I like that one a lot. And actually, one little point I wanted to make. Although I find those keep my skin free from smelling, my clothes still always smell of BO after I use a natural deodorant. So I don't think there's any way to avoid that, but I just kind of don't use them anymore. I use like the Nivea or Dove roll-on underarm deodorant, and I find those are really, really good. Okay, so this NYX Lingerie Lid Cream in Rose Pearl. A girl at Rexall recommended it to me when I needed just a few more bucks to reach, you know, I think it was a $25 mark. And this is so good. I literally used it up and it is the most beautiful product for the lids. I'll put a photo in here where I swatched it, but I love it. It's a great eyeshadow base as well, so that is highly recommended. Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I don't like this. I hate the smell and I didn't really find it did anything. So happy I only had small samples of it because I think it's overrated, you guys. I would like far sooner recommend the Beauty RX peel pads that I love, or Neostrata. They make much better products and for cheaper. So yeah, not into Sunday Riley personally. The next item I have is the Cocoa Brown Gentle Bronze. This is a gradual body lotion that tans your skin. This brand is really nice. I believe they are found in Ireland, but they also have a Canadian distributor here in Toronto. They do spray tans as well. I like this product. I'm not a huge fan of their bronzing mousses, but this is quite nice. It is a green tone, which is a little weird, but it's literally like the Jergens moisturizer, just a little step above. So this one was nice. The next product I have here is the Laneige Hydro Essence Water Bank Serum. This was great. I love the little bottle, so cute, and it worked really, really well. I would definitely repurchase this. I just have a ton of serums to get through, but that one was great for combo skin. Beautiful. Two products here from the Neutrogena Hydro Boost collection. This is the Hydrating Cleansing Gel and the Gel Cream. I don't really love how these have a pretty strong scent, but I believe they have an unscented version as well. So they're both great if you have oily combination skin, a beautiful collection, and really nice to just give some hyaluronic acid to your skin. I also love the sunscreen from this collection. So 2 items that are great. The body lotion is outstanding. I know a lot of people love it. Sandra loves it as well. I always kind of CC her because she's like the queen of beauty in my eyes. But yeah, the body lotion from that Hydro Boost collection, fantastic, as well as their sunscreen. And if you want more affordable skincare, definitely look to them. I like something a little bit fancier than Neutrogena for my like hyaluronic acids. I'd probably do like Vichy Mineral 89 or the Clarins hydrating blue collection. I can't remember what it's called anyways, but overall definitely good. Last but not least, this is a Body Shop concealer. This was so good. It's their matte clay full coverage concealer. I use this all the way to the bottom. There's just a bit left, but this is a perfect dupe for the Benefit Boing concealer. I just kept it in my purse and it layered great onto my skin. It never budged under my eyes. It was just so small, compact, and I love these for even getting at spots, just using a little targeted brush and detailing spots. So that is amazing. Would highly recommend. I actually really do love the Body Shop makeup. So that is everything that I've used up recently. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Definitely a lot of hits and just a few duds, but I'd love to hear from you guys. So be sure to like if you enjoyed, subscribe to see more from me, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!